5, 6, 7, 8.
Raven hair and almond eyes. Have you ever seen my Gypsy Queen? She's an angel in disguise, the sweetest girl I've ever seen. She's got her own kind of magic. She's got her own special way. There's a golden rose in the dead of night when she looks at me and I hear her sigh. Where do you go, my Gypsy Queen? And I hear her voice as she starts to sing with a haunting tune of a lover's ring. Oh, play that song, my Gypsy Queen. Yeah. In the distance far away, castles in the air, and in the shadows of the wood, I could see her there. And as I watched in the moonlight, I saw her dancing alone. There's a golden rose in the dead of night when she looks at me and I hear her sigh. Where do you go, my Gypsy Queen? And I hear her voice as she starts to sing with a haunting tune of a lover's ring. Oh, play that song, my Gypsy Queen. Oh, yeah. She'll always be my Gypsy Queen, the only love of my dreams. There's a golden rose in the dead of night when she looks at me and I hear her sigh. Where do you go, my Gypsy Queen? And I hear her voice as she starts to sing with a haunting tune of a lover's ring. Oh, play that song, my Gypsy Queen.
This dance is Gypsy Queen, choreographed by Hazel Pace. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, a left forward rumba box, side together forward, side together back, side together side, behind side cross. Section 2, side tap side, behind side crush shuffle, side together back, side together. Section 3, make a quarter turn left forward, make 2 1/4 paddle turns to the left with touches, touch turn a quarter, touch turn a quarter, step forward on right, make 2 1/4 paddle turns to the right with touches, touch, turn a quarter right, touch, turn a quarter right, shuffle forward, left, right, left. Last section, a mambo half turn to the right, rock forward, recover, half turn right, triple, a half turn right, stepping left, right, left, coaster, step, forward, tap behind, back. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that's the whole dance.